All right, what's going on? What's going on? So, as you can see, I'm still in the process of cleaning, organizing. It does take a while, and like I said, guys, I know I announced from last year that I'm going to be moving to Florida soon. So I'm here to take my time to see what's inside this, and I know what it is, but hopefully these are the coins, the right coins. I think it's like 12 in it. So these are probably like the penny coins, the collections. So and I cannot wait till I see this. This took a couple weeks to get this, and I will put the link to the description. And I'm gonna prove to everyone this is not a scam. So I'm going to open this. I have to open it like this. I don't want my address revealed on here. They get them on these. Yep, this is the right one, folks. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, see, they got this little, they got it in the bag, it's got the little thing on it too. I like it like this. Yeah, I got like 12 of them. And these are the same ones. So you see right here, these are all 12 of them. And I cannot believe they're legit. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, I'm sorry for, I had the light over here, and I just noticed I did this when I was trying to open. I was trying to look at the camera just at the same time. But yeah, everything's in the bag, guys. So no edits on the video. I don't want you to think I'm scamming, 'cause I'm not. So I can't believe it's legit. So even though I'm not gonna worry about the negativity going around, and I'm not worried about it, I'm just trying to stay warm. And the weather's too cold for me to ride and do recordings. I got stuff to do, and I'm sorry, and I do apologize. And but anyways, that's it. And the Scooter Man's out. See ya.